The 1987 Buick Grand National is a muscle car legend, a vehicle that shocked the automotive world with its sinister looks and unexpected power. While the 80s were dominated by sluggish emissions-restricted cars, Buick defied expectations with the Grand National, proving that turbocharged V6 power could rival the V8 muscle cars of the past. At the heart of the 1987 Grand National was a 3.8-liter turbocharged and intercooled V6, pushing out 245 horsepower and an impressive 355 lb-ft of torque. While those numbers may not seem earth-shattering today, back in 1987, they were enough to make the Grand National one of the quickest production cars on the road. In fact, it could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, putting it in the same league as the Corvettes and Ferraris of its time. The Grand National's menacing all-black exterior set it apart from the crowd. With its aggressive front grille, sharp angles, and blacked-out trim, it looked like something straight out of a Hollywood action film. This stealthy appearance gave the Grand National an aura of mystery and power, earning it the nickname Darth Vader's car. Inside, the Grand National featured a no-nonsense driver-focused cockpit. The analog gauges, T-top roof option, and signature Grand National embroidery on the seats made it clear that this was a special car. While it didn't have the luxury of some competitors, it delivered where it mattered most: performance. What made the 1987 Grand National even more special was that it marked the final year of production for the model. Buick saved the best for last, making this the most refined and powerful version ever built. For those who wanted even more performance, Buick introduced the GNX, a limited edition, high-performance version of the Grand National that took power and exclusivity to another level. Over the years, the Grand National has become a highly sought-after collector's item. With its turbocharged performance, bold styling, and limited production numbers, its value continues to rise. Car enthusiasts and muscle car fans alike recognize it as one of the greatest sleeper cars ever made. Even decades later, the 1987 Buick Grand National remains an icon of American performance. It's a car that proved muscle wasn't just about displacement, it was about innovation, engineering, and attitude. What do you think of the Buick Grand National? Would you take one over a traditional V8 muscle car? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CarCraze for more legendary car content.